Hello everyone, today in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert our full aspect ratio video, without changing any ratio, into another ratio such as a reel for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Stories, Facebook videos, and other social media post videos. Let's jump into our timeline. Drag and drop any video into the timeline. After that, select the video, then go to the sequence. Then here select the Auto Reframe Sequence. Rename the sequence name if required. Target aspect ratio, you can change it to any other ratio. For example, I will select here 9:16 ratio. You can see here now it has converted into a 9:16 sequence. It aligns automatically. In case if you want to align, you can do it here. Similarly, if we want to convert to another ratio, select the video, then go to Sequence and select Auto Reframe Sequence. Here I will rename it as a 4:5, which is used for Instagram or Facebook Shorts or any other social media post. In this, I will select a 4:5 ratio. Similarly, you can create a square ratio, which is a 1:1 aspect ratio. This will save your time instead of changing the ratio again and again. This makes your work fast in just one click. Hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.